Question 2. Part 1. The oxidation state shown by alkaline earth metals is A plus 2B minus 2C plus 1 plus 2D minus 1 minus 2. Correct answer. A plus 2. Hint. Group 2 elements lose 2 electrons, form M² ions. Part 2. Which one of the following is the most soluble in water? A. MgOH2. B. CaOH2C Sr OH2. D. BaOH2. Correct answer. D. BaOH2. Hint. Solubility of hydroxides increases down the group. Part 3. Which of the following alkaline earth metal hydroxides is amphoteric in character? A. BeOH2. B. SrOH2C CaOH2. D. BaOH2. Correct answer. A. BeOH2. Hint. Beryllium compounds show amphoteric behavior due to small size and high charge density. Part 4. Of the metals Be, Mg, Ca and Sr, the least ionic chloride would be formed by A. Be. B. Ca. C. Mgd, Sr. Correct answer. A. Be. Hint. Smaller cation, more covalent character, Fahan's rule. Part 5. The order of solubility of sulfates of alkaline earth metals in water is A. Be greater than Mg greater than Ca greater than Sr greater than Ba. B. Mg greater than Be greater than Ba greater than Ca greater than Sr. C. Be greater than Ca greater than Mg greater than Ba greater than Sr. D. Mg greater than Ca greater than Ba greater than Be greater than Sr. Correct answer. A. Be greater than Mg greater than Ca greater than Sr greater than Ba. Hint. Sulfate solubility decreases down the group. Part 6. The solubility of carbonates decreases down the magnesium group due to a decrease in A. Hydration energies of cations. B. Interionic attraction. C. Entropy of solution formation. D. Lattice energies of solids. Correct answer. A. Hydration energies of cations. Hint. Larger ions lower hydration energy, less soluble. Part 7. In which of the following the hydration energy is higher than the lattice energy? A. MgSO4. B. SrSO4. C. RaSO4. D. BaSO4. Correct answer. A. MgSO4. Hint. Smaller ions higher hydration energy, more soluble. Part 8. Which of the following alkaline earth metal sulfates has hydration enthalpy higher than lattice enthalpy? A. CaSO4. B. BaSO4. C. BeSO4. D. SrSO4. Correct answer. C. BeSO4. Hint. Be plus 2EO is smallest highest hydration enthalpy. Part 9. Which gas is released when CaCO3 reacts with dilute HCl? A. H2. B. O2C. CO2. D. Cl2. Correct answer. C. CO2. Hint. Carbonates plus acids produced. CO2 gas plus salt plus water. Part 10. Brick red is characteristic flame color of A. Beryllium. B. Magnesium. C. Calcium. D. Barium. Correct answer. C. Calcium. Hint. Ca. Brick red. Ba. Green. Mg no color.